Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll go over a problem in which we have to calculate the time it takes for John to earn $180 of interest money on an investment of $3,000 at 3% annual simple interest rate. So the first thing we should do in this type of problem is to list the givens in the problem. So here we are given that John wants to invest $3,000. So this amount, $3,000, is the initial amount or is the investment amount. So this is the variable P. That's the principal amount, and the principal amount here is $3,000. We are given that the annual simple interest rate is 3%, so that's R, which is 3%. Now in the formula for simple interest, we'll use this value in the decimal form, so which can be written as 0.03. So how do we get that? We divide 3 by 100. So let me show you the steps here. So you can write it as 3 over 100, or this can be reduced to 0.03. So that's the value of R. We'll sub in the formula for simple interest. And we are given that John earns $180 of interest money. So this is represented by a variable I. So I equals $180. So we have to use these values to find the time. So T is the unknown quantity. Now the formula that we use for simple interest is I equals P R T. So in this formula, so I is the interest income or the interest earned or interest paid. P is the principal amount, R is the interest rate in decimal form, and T is the time in years. So now we can just sub in the values that we just listed. So we know I is 180, P is 3000, R is 0.03 times time, which is the unknown quantity. So now we have to solve this equation to find the value of time. So the first thing we should do is simplify term on the right side of this equation. So we should multiply 3000 by 0.03. So we get 180 equals, so the result of this multiplication is 90 T. And now we have to isolate T, so we should divide both sides by 9. Because 90 is being multiplied to T, so we have to use the reverse operation to cancel out the 90 with T. So the 90s on the right side cancel each other out. So we get 180 over 90 equals T. And then 180 over 90 can be reduced to 2. So T is equal to 2. So this is the final answer for this problem. Now we can write a concluding statement with the units to summarize our result. John will earn $180 of interest money in 2 years. So this can be our concluding statement. So these are the steps we need to keep in mind to solve a simple interest problem like this one. I hope you will like this video. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.